Hi, everybody. Hope you had a good Monday. Coming to you in the 5 o'clock hour. Meteorologist Rod Hill from the Portland, Vancouver area. My weather site I use a lot is portlandweather.com that I own and operate, which I hope you'll check out because it has a lot of live travel cameras and separate forecast pages for everything you'd want to know for Mount Hood, for the coast, for the gorge. Really a great companion if you're going to be traveling around the Northwest. Well, the big story is kind of doubling down, and that is freezing spots likely freezing spots likely Wednesday morning. And of course, we talked about this yesterday. Cooler wave of air came in today. It looks like Portland's high is going to be about 57 degrees. Had more scattered showers today than I was expecting. We're going to hold on to at least a chance of some spotty showers in the forecast tomorrow. So we talked about this yesterday, the cool wave starting to come in today, and eventually the air that came in today off of the Pacific is going to kind of merge with this Canadian high that's going to drop down out of Canada. And all of this will feed us dry enough air in terms of lack of water vapor, low dew points, that temperatures with light winds and clear skies will get down to freezing in parts of the valley Wednesday morning. Now, eventually, Wednesday daytime into Thursday into Friday, east winds start to kick up. And a reminder, if you have east winds at night, it doesn't take much, 5-10 miles per hour, and that will significantly hold your temperatures up. So low temperatures in the Portland, Salem, Vancouver area and down into Eugene and Albany, generally 30 to 36, with many areas close to 30 to 32. This is exactly what we talked about yesterday. Nothing has changed. In fact, the forecast is growing. And the National Weather Service this afternoon went ahead and popped up a frost advisory. Now, again, this is for Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. And notice the frost advisory in blue. This is everybody in Western Oregon and parts of Southwestern Washington. So basically from the coast through the valley, up and down I-5 from Eugene, through Portland, through Vancouver, up into the Kelso-Longview area and out through the Columbia River Gorge. So this tells you that not only will we have at least some scattered freezing temperatures, but it being close, at least close to 32 Wednesday morning, could be fairly widespread. See the purple right here in the Hood River Valley? That is a freeze warning, doubling down on the confidence of getting cold, with low temperatures in the Hood River Valley expected to be down into the upper 20s and maybe as low as about 26 degrees. This wind advisory for the Dalles now into the Columbia Basin and Brown set to expire at 11 p.m. tonight. They've had a pretty consistent wind gusting 35, 40, 45 out in the Columbia Basin today, and there may have been some higher spikes reaching 50 miles per hour. So continuing back to our number one story, which is the freezing temperatures expected Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. And again, this is the exact same map I showed you yesterday. Nothing has changed. Canadian high coming down. We don't really notice Wednesday morning, we're in the cooler air. There's the cold front. But this is calm air, clear skies until we get an east wind developing during the day, which we absolutely will. So here's something new. This is courtesy of KGW TV. This is their Futurecast model. And this is 5 a.m. Wednesday morning. This could be right. Notice Salem 32, Woodburn 31, Tigard 32, Banks 32. You can check out the cities that you want to check out. Tillamook 32, Battleground 32, Gresham 32. This gives Portland 35, which is my forecast low for the city of Portland. 31 out in Parkdale could be colder. 33 in Hood River could be colder. That's where that freeze warning is. So if this is correct, it really illustrates that freezing temperatures, or at least the chance of being down to 32, absolutely widespread. And this, of course, is a big deal because garden centers are now open, nurseries are now open. A lot of people have bought kind of tender vegetation, and they may have hanging flower baskets out. That type of thing you'll want to protect and bring inside or cover going into Wednesday morning. Now I'm going to play this. I think I can play it. Can I play it? Let's see if it'll play. Play, yeah. Here it is. I'm going to play it into Thursday morning, and then it's going to stop at 5 a.m. Thursday. So see these streamlines? I think you can see them. Oh, it's going to repeat. Hold on. Let me see if I can get this just to stop. Pardon me. Thursday morning. Stop. Thursday. Oh boy. Come on. I thought I had it. I think I'm going to bear with me here. It's got a mind of its own. Oh boy, maybe it's just not going to let me catch up. All right. Don't anybody move. This is Thursday morning at 5 a.m. If you look carefully at those wispy lines over the Mount Hood Village and Sandy up in here, that's an east wind that's blowing. And that's why you've got 42 in Sandy and 39 in Portland and 45 in Tigard and 41 in Woodburn and 35 in Salem. So we talked about this a moment ago. This illustrates how much warmer Thursday morning is going to be simply because of wind. Now, if you live in a spot, you know who you are, where you do not get the east wind at all, you still have the chance to be freezing Thursday morning, again, which is what we talked about yesterday. You can see the setup on the satellite picture. This is the infrared that is basically masked to be a lot like a visible satellite picture. So follow my hand right in here. So here's Portland. Just to our north is the leading edge of the cooler weather. I know we were cooler today, but the actual surface front is going to be dropping into us tomorrow. And that's one reason why I think we still have the chance for some spotty showers tomorrow. But you see the clearing up here. And if you just draw a circle up in this area, it's kind of hard to pick out, but this is where that Canadian high is setting up. And this is where that cold, clear air will eventually come down. The lows you see spinning out in the Pacific will not impact us for a while. In fact, once we see the spotty shower chance in tomorrow and we clear out Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, we have sunny Thursday, sunny Friday. There is a system it looks like that comes in Saturday, and that will give us a chance of showers, but not all of the weather models totally agree with that. And in terms of how great the rain chance is, what we may get, I think it's too early to tell. But I'll show you that on the upper wind flow pattern. So here we are this afternoon. Here's that cold trough that's been setting up to our north. Now it comes down into Washington and Idaho and Montana tomorrow, drives the cold front through our area, and then the cold trough itself moves off Wednesday morning. But this is going to take the clouds and the rain chance off to our east. We'll clear out on the backside of this and have the cold morning before east winds pick up. And now you're going to look at some ridging taking place right in here Thursday and Friday. Thursday could hit 70. I think Friday definitely does. And then what happens Saturday is a bit of a mystery. This is the European model. Now, the European model, here it is Saturday morning. See this trough swinging in? This would be increasing clouds, leading to at least a chance of showers during the day. But you can see 576, 561 high. You can see it kind of weakens. So right now, the chance of rain Saturday is in the chance category, meaning it's not guaranteed that we get something, but I think we'll end up with quite a few clouds. And then this actually shows the possibility after a shower chance Saturday overnight that maybe Sunday becomes partly cloudy and clears out during the day. But there's other data that says a shower chance holds on Sunday. So the weekend, still not certain. I do want to show you on the radar right now, it's coming up on 6 p.m. You see some scattered showers this Monday. Not many, spotty things, but they're still out there. And I think they will be out there potentially for a chance anyway, as we go into the day tomorrow. Again, the Cascade season really starting to wind down. Ski Bowl is now closed for their winter operations, 31 degrees there. Still open for skiing and boarding at Timberline and Meadows. It was about a 3,000 to 4,000 foot snow level today. You can see the temperatures, Meadows 35, Government Camp 35, cloudy up there, but wet. Similar temperatures tomorrow up on the mountain with, again, the chance of some light precip that could be a mix with snow levels between 3 and 4,000 feet, courtesy of the good folks of Hillcrest Ski and Sports Shop in Gresham. All right, now I want to show you my Northwest forecast map where we like to click around and show you some of the temperatures. So these are the current numbers, only 52 up in Seattle. Been a cool day. They still have a shower chance tomorrow in 54, but there's the warm up Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, with temperatures warming up into the 60s and that chance of rain over the weekend, kind of what we talked about. Let's go over to Bend. Beautiful week still expected. It was sunny over there today. Going to be sunny in 50s tomorrow and Wednesday, Thursday, 60, Friday, 62. And right now, there's no rain in sight in Central Oregon all the way through the weekend. So if you have plans to be over there, wow, going to be really just classic Central Oregon weather. Down in Medford, 61 today, warmer than Portland. Tomorrow, though, still cool, but dry, 54. Dry on Wednesday, Thursday, warming into the 60s on Thursday and Friday. A chance of some showers down there, it looks like, on Saturday. What about the Central Coast? Here's Newport. Chance of showers hanging on tomorrow along the coast. Most of the time, going to be dry and partly sunny. Nice weather on Wednesday. Look at this. Remember, it's an east wind that comes, the east wind develops Wednesday into Thursday, right? Remember, with an east wind, the coast can be about as warm as the valley. So notice here, mid 60s on Thursday and Friday with sunny skies, really nice. And then the cooler chance of rain over the weekend. Okay, the Dow's 55 degrees. That wind advisory set to expire at 11 p.m. tonight. Here's my updated 7-day for Portland. Courtesy of Hazeldale Tire Pros. I use them. Really nice people, family-owned business. Slight, well, I don't know. It's a spotty shower chance tomorrow. It's hard to tell if we're going to still have a spotty shower, just be completely dry. But certainly, at the very least, we'll have at least the amount of sun that we had today. We'll be upper 50s. Wednesday, 35 in the city, but we talked about a lot of you will be freezing, the frost advisory. But look at the warm up, 64 in the afternoon, 68, maybe 70 Thursday with east breezes to 25 miles per hour. Friday, 73. Saturday, we cloud up, a few showers developing during the day. This is not certain. The weekend forecast, just hang on. If you have plans, don't freak out. Sunday, I keep a shower chance alive, but again, this is not certain. Don't freak out yet. I have plans Sunday. I'm hoping for some dry weather. And then Monday, I've got us warming back to 67. Okay. That is your update. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for using my forecast as a guide for what you do. It really means a lot to me. With that, I will bid you a good Monday night, and I'll talk to you soon. I'm Rod Hill.